Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Microsoft's OmniParser, a really cool screen parsing tool. It's all about building pure vision-based GUI agents. You know, the kind that can interact with computer interfaces just by looking at them. Exciting stuff!
Totally. I've been following this project. So what's the core idea behind OmniParser? How does it actually work?
Essentially, OmniParser takes a screenshot, a picture of a computer screen, and transforms it into structured data. Think of it as translating a visual image into a language a computer can understand. This structured data then allows AI models, like GPT-4V, to interact with the interface elements in a much more precise way. It's a crucial step towards truly visual AI agents.
I see. So instead of relying on traditional methods like keyboard input or mouse clicks, OmniParser lets the AI see the screen and understand what's clickable, what text is displayed, and so on. That's a huge leap, right?
Absolutely. It's a game changer. The project's GitHub page highlights several versions, with version 2 boasting state-of-the-art results on benchmarks like ScreenSpot Pro. They've even created OmniTool, a tool that lets you control a Windows 11 VM using OmniParser and your preferred vision model. Amazing!
Wow, a Windows 11 VM control. That's impressive. What kind of models does OmniTool support?
It supports several leading LLMs out of the box, including OpenAI models like GPT-4 and others, DeepSeek's R1, QWen 2.5 VL, and even Anthropic's computer use model. The flexibility is a key strength. It's not just limited to one specific AI.
That's incredibly versatile. But I noticed something about the licensing. The GitHub page mentions different licenses for different model components. Could you elaborate on that?
Yeah, good point. The icon detection model uses the AGPL license, inherited from the original YOLO model. However, the icon caption models, using Blip2 and Florence, are under the MIT license. It's important to be aware of these differences when using the various components. It's all clearly documented, though.
Definitely good to highlight that for our listeners. So what's the installation process like? Is it straightforward?
Pretty straightforward, actually. They provide clear instructions on their GitHub. You create a Conda environment, activate it, and then install the required packages using pip. Downloading the model weights is also well explained, with commands provided for different versions. It's all very user-friendly, even for beginners.
That's reassuring. And what about examples? Are there any readily available to help users get started?
Yes. They have a demo Jupyter notebook on GitHub, along with a Gradio demo you can run directly. These provide practical examples to help users understand how to use OmniParser in their own projects. It's a great way to get your hands dirty.
This sounds like a really significant contribution to the field of AI and GUI interaction. The fact that it's open source and has such a large community behind it is also a big plus. I'm really impressed.
Me too. The project's popularity is evident in its 6.8K stars on GitHub, and the active community is constantly contributing and improving the tool. It's a testament to its potential and impact. And don't forget to check out their archive paper for a deeper technical dive. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.